Hi, it's Jody, just checking in with you all to make sure that your first week went okay. I just wanted to go over a few things for class because some of you I don't think I have had in class before. So here we are on the home page here in Canvas, and this is ECE 220, Administration and Supervision of Early Childhood Programs. This is the home page, and on the home pages for all of my courses, I have the syllabus, the the course calendar, which I do think that you should print out or save. It's the same calendar I use when I'm setting everything up in Canvas. Don't necessarily rely on Canvas because it might not warn you that an assignment is due until the last minute. So make sure that you're kind of keeping track of assignments as we go along throughout the semester. Here is information on how to do discussion boards with some examples of well-written replies, the reading analysis instructions with a sample reading analysis, and then here are some other course projects that we will be doing throughout the semester. These will all get assigned at a later date in the semester. I will let you know when you need to start working on those. Every week when you check into class, you should go to modules first. Modules is going to tell you what you should be doing for the week, and you should see week 1 here. There is a breakdown that's going to give you some basic information about class. Here's an introduction video from me. Do the syllabus quiz as it's worth 5 points. Do the discussion board. This is just a personal introduction to tell us a little bit more about yourself so we can get to know you. And then you will do your first reading analysis this week. The first reading analysis will be about chapter 1 in the book. You're going to describe at least 2 topics that you are interested in reading, discuss what you learned about those 2 topics, and then how you will use it when you're working with young children. Here's the instruction sheet, which will give you more information and the grading rubric. And here's a sample reading analysis to let you know what I'm looking for. Once you type up your reading analysis and you save it to your computer, then you click Start Assignment here. You upload the file, and then you just submit the assignment. And then that will go to the gradebook for me to grade. One of the things you need to know about my grading policy is that I believe in providing feedback for students in order for them to earn more points on assignments. So if you're not quite sure what to do for an assignment, I think that you should contact me and ask me, and I'm more than happy to help you with the assignment. We can email back and forth, or I can meet you via Zoom during the day or in the evenings, and we can chat about it. You can submit the assignment early, and I can take a look at it to let you know if you're on the right track, or you can submit it, receive feedback, and then make changes, and then you will be able to resubmit to earn more points. One other thing that I want to, let me fix this here. I see some of you have done the discussion board personal introduction, so that is great. Let me go back to modules here. There's your reading analysis, and then here's a sample reading analysis to kind of give you an idea of what we're looking for. When you get to week 2 next week, which you might not be able to see right now, always read the breakdown, because the breakdown is going to have information in here that you need for the week that you might not have on the calendar. So make sure you always start with that. You'll have a second reading analysis and then your first discussion board next week, and instructions are provided there. One other thing I just want to touch base about is the book. My books are provided as ebooks for everyone. If you click on this, it will tell you how to access the ebook and then also opt out of the ebook. So here's how you access the book. If you decide that you don't want to use the ebook and you are going to purchase the real actual book, you can't do it through the bookstore. You have to go through Chegg or Amazon or something like that to purchase it. If that's a hardship for you, then go ahead and let me know, and we might be able to get that book for you. If you decide that you're going to buy the physical copy of the book, the opt-out deadline is January 27th at 11:59 p.m. If you forget to opt out, remember you are going to get charged for the book. So just make sure that you opt out if you're going to get the hard copy. That's really all I have for you. If you have questions, please reach out to me. I would much rather you ask questions than to be confused and frustrated. One other thing I want to tell you about is our tutors. We do have tutors available that are dedicated ECE tutors that can help you with assignments. You go here to BHC Tutors, then open in a new tab. We have one tutor that meets in person here at the college, and we have another tutor that can meet via Zoom. And then you click here to request a tutor and then fill out that information. So again, if you have questions about assignments or need help, feel free to reach out to me or the tutor. You can also reach out to Audrey Aiden, who is our early childhood support specialist. You'll be getting information from her throughout the semester. She's also here to support you. She also provides fun workshops and get-togethers for ECE students, so I encourage you to participate in her activities as well. Have a good rest of your week.